Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today we'll be painting this landscape concept. You will see the whole process, as well as tips and ideas on how to improve your painting. My name is Victor, I'm a concept artist working in video games, and I really hope you'll enjoy this video. If you do, please consider liking and subscribing. Also let me know in the comments if it was helpful. Okay, let's start. In the beginning, I start by adding some color for the sky, and then I proceed with a quick sketch. It doesn't have to be fancy or anything, just a rough sketch to plan your composition. Right now I'm trying to arrange the shapes in an appealing way, trying to get a good balance going on. And I'm not necessarily describing everything in this sketch, just the main elements, because later on you will adjust them anyway, add more details and so on. It's worth mentioning that the way I'm starting these quick images is one of the many ways possible. Some people prefer to block in big shapes and create the composition that way. Others start by working black and white first, adding color later, and so on. I'm doing this by starting with the sketch because I'm not really confident with line work in general and I want to improve a bit. So feel free to experiment and adjust your workflow. Once you have the sketch done, it's time to add the local color and block in these big shapes from your line work. You can continue by adding the light direction, or you can just start with the shadows. I also plan to have a warm light coming from the sun and have colder shadows. The sunlight will also affect the snow quite a bit and will create a lot of bounce light on the rocks as well. Right now I am describing the foreground a little bit more by indicating a change of planes. Alright, so if you completed the previous steps, by removing the line work, you should have a pretty good idea where the image is heading. Adding a few more shapes that are a bit more noticeable that will aid my composition. Right now, a good chunk of work goes into describing the forms. As I mentioned before, the lit side of the rocks will be greatly affected by the warm light, and the shadows will be affected by the sky. In this case, a bright blue sky will make the shadows seem quite cold in comparison. I'm trying to balance the color scheme by adding these trees with some really warm greens. Couple of more details and I think we can call it done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe and share this video for more content like this, and I hope to see you in the next one, coming soon.